Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, we pick another car from Copart. Stay with us guys. That's what we got right here. It's a C250. Okay, 2014 model guys. Beautiful car with some damage. Stay with us. What we're doing right now, we are unhooking the drive shaft so we can tow it on the dolly. As you know, rear wheel drive. Stay with us guys. We'll see what we find inside. You never know. It's really, other than that, it's really clean interior. It has the brown steering wheel, navigation, everything else. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out some of the damage. Okay, and we'll have more when we get home and inspect it. Okay guys, so make sure you stay until the end. I'm going to show you guys and share information how to buy vehicles without license. Okay, very important thing, and how to get around it. Hey. And that's a little mechanic right here. She has her own channel now guys. Check it out, it will be in the description of the video. Are you excited about a new car? Yeah? Okay guys, so finally we got the Mercedes home guys, and let me walk you through it and what we went through with it. Okay, so we got it to the Copart guys, but in California we don't have dealer license and we don't need it as of right now. So I couldn't bid on California cars, and the only way I found is, there are other ways as well, but the best way for me was Auto Bid Master, and we will have a video and more details later. Stay with us. Okay, how to do that. So the Mercedes now guys, okay, right here you can see C250 guys. Okay, that's the damage. We didn't know if it runs and drives, we didn't know the mileage. I checked the vehicle history and it said last mileage recording was 47,000 miles. Not too long ago. They couldn't open the hood, that's why they didn't check the mileage and start the vehicle, because the battery was dead, the lights were on. Okay, so it gets stuck right here. So if you just grab it really hard, okay, it eventually gets unstuck. You need to pull on this side a little bit more. Okay, like that. And let's get to the damage part. That bumper guys, we have a video how to make that bumper like brand new again. Coming soon. Headlight, we will get a new headlight, new grille. Okay, that plastic here will be replaced. You can see engine wise, nothing at all. ABS here, everything is good. Okay, this is the battery right here that we're charging now guys. Okay, and let me show you what else. Okay, that damage wasn't there when we bid on the vehicle. That was a big surprise. And Copart will usually never do anything about it. When they were moving cars, got hit with another car most likely. That's how I imagine it happened. And now we have to buy an extra fender. Not very expensive, about 70 bucks, but we have to do it. So another thing is, like, we got it home and we couldn't push it at all. Okay, off the dolly. So what we did, we drove it with the dolly, okay, with the minivan inside the garage like that. And we found out that there is a broken control arm. Okay, right there. Okay, so that control arm, very inexpensive as well. Okay, flat tire, you can see a little bit of damage to the wheel. Okay, door handle is broken right here. I don't know if it happened in the accident or if somebody just decided to break it while it was at the yard. It's hard to know for sure. Okay, inside is the good things guys. Okay, we have all the carpets. Okay, original Mercedes-Benz carpets. We have the rubber carpets as well. Really nice, clean interior, super clean. And we had to unhook the drive shaft. Okay, those are the bolts in the flex disc. Okay, right here, so we can tow it with the dolly. You can see steering wheel in excellent condition. So stay with us and we'll see if we can fire up and see how it works. Okay guys, so right here we charge the battery now. Okay, and cool thing about it has a push start button, but it's actually one of those that you can remove. I'll show you in a video guys. Okay, and so let's see if it's going to fire up. Okay, right there you can see check washer fluid. Okay, there is a small leak there, all the lights on the front not working. Okay, so we're going to go through those messages. 47,000 miles guys, that's right here. So that's okay, that's pretty good deal. You can see blind spot assist in operative, so we need to see what's going on there. Okay, the airbag front right malfunction service required. This most likely is because of dead battery. Okay, so you can have a low voltage that will trigger airbag lights, and it actually went away. Okay, check it out now. The airbag light went away, so the voltage of the vehicle is getting higher because it's running now. Okay, and here you can have the navigation. Okay, all that stuff. So that's pretty cool thing. Okay, so the only message that we have now is for flat tire. Okay, perfect. You can see it has GPS right here. Also, you have the really cool features as well. Connect your phone and stuff like that. You can do quite a bit. Video system. You can see pretty clean, guys. It's pretty clean for what it is. Usually they come pretty bad. Okay, and what's in the glove box? Okay, that's the original sticker on it. Okay, the manual is there as well. Okay, those are all the options here, guys, for $44,860. Okay, when it was purchased. You can see right here. It says, okay, 31 highway, 22 city, so we'll see how accurate that thing is actually. So quite a few videos coming on this one, guys, and we'll have more details about how to bid on Copart and how to use our Bidmaster. Video coming very soon. I'll explain the things, what we went through and our experience. Thank you for watching. Please let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.